Hello YouTube, today I'm gonna show you how to replace or clean the cabin air filter of a car. Normally you can access the cabin air filter from the passenger side underneath of the glove box. You can use a flat screwdriver in this case to open the box of the air filter. Once the box is opened, now use your hands to take the filter out. Since I am using a K&N filter which is reusable after a proper washing, it might be a little bit hard to take out that filter because of the surrounding rubber. Now taking out the filter, look at all those dust, it's pretty gross. Bring it home and let's wash this filter for reuse. According to the instruction, I had to buy another cleaning kit from K&N, but I really didn't want to use any chemical for any cabin ventilation. So I decided to use a baking soda. As you all know, baking soda is totally safe to eat, and also you can get from everywhere in grocery. And also it is actually quite fun to do by filling all those white particles in between those wrinkles of the filter. You can do this entire the surface of the filter thoroughly. And flip it and do the same thing for the other side. I don't know, to be honest, it feels very good. Am I weird? Leave it half an hour and come back. And now wash this out with water. You may use a little bit warm water if you want. Thoroughly wash to remove all those white baking soda, hopefully along with the dust. Once done, try to shake entire the filter up and down multiple times to remove remaining water particles. And dry the filter in front of the fan. It actually came out pretty good after complete dry. This was actually much prettier than I thought. I don't see any dust remained and I'm pretty satisfied with it. Let's go and reinstall the filter. In the case of R56 Mini Cooper, you have to face down the filter toward the floor. I know this says this side up, but focus on the direction of the arrow. Keeping that in mind, slide up the filter along the guideline which is located in the filter box. Finally, check all the position was correct and in place, and we are all set. Thank you for watching my video.